Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. I'm thinking of something very blushy, flushed, and natural, so something like that. I'm going to be priming my face with the Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehl's. I've been using this stuff all the time while I was here in America. This cream is just so moisturizing and makes my skin look so glowy and dewy. I'm going to be using a tinted moisturizer, and I have this one from Bali. I really love this stuff because it's so natural, and I literally just blend it in with my fingers and it looks so good. I have no idea when you guys will be watching this because I'm currently in America. I'm filming a bunch, but I haven't gotten around to editing much because I'm just like, you know, going out, seeing everybody, spending time with my family, friends, my boyfriend. You know, I figured why not just film everything and just edit for a whole month. That's probably what I'm doing. I absolutely love the natural light that comes in every morning. And now I'll just be setting my eyes with some translucent setting powder. The way I do my makeup now has really changed like in the past year. I really love the natural look now. I still love doing like a full glam, but I'm just so lazy. I don't want to do it. But I do feel good when I have like a full face on. It's just, I don't know. I mean, the natural look is really nice, really cute, fresh. So I just applied some blush. This is the Nars blush in Orgasm. And I'm really going for a very flushed look. So I'm just gonna keep on packing it on like all over. So when you like get flushed, you can get it even down here and just everywhere on my nose. Ooh, there we go. I think you can see that. I can definitely see it. I think it's a lot of blush, but it's really cute. I don't know. Next, I'll just be applying some Mary-Loumanizer. All of the makeup tutorials I'm doing here in America are basically with the same product. They're really versatile. I pack very light, and especially on this trip, I really didn't need a lot, so. The one thing I'm kind of disappointed in, more disappointed in myself actually, is that I didn't take many pictures here. Like, basically, I have no pictures of myself in New York. I've just like been walking around, taking pictures of other things, taking videos of other things, and I have not stopped to take a fucking picture. Like, but at least I got some good videos. I got a lot of videos. So now I'll just be doing my brows really quick. They've actually grown in a lot, so they don't really need much. This was always my problematic brow. Always needs more work. So yeah, the sun is kind of leaving. This trip to New York really has sparked a fire in me. Like, I know last time I was here when I was like 14, it still did the same thing to me. Like, this is my favorite place to be. Like, New York is my favorite city in the world. There we go. As I was saying, I just love New York so much, and last time I was here, I really wanted to someday live here, but as the years passed, I don't know, like 5 years ago, kind of forgot about it. But now being back here, I am gonna promise myself that I will be here this summer again and actually live here for real. Moving here is a huge decision, but like, I figure if I don't do it now, when will I do it? Like, I am 19, turning 20 this summer, and I haven't taken such a big risk, and really there's nothing seriously holding me back in Greece. I don't know, even if I come here for a little bit and maybe, you know, I don't like it, like that's fine, I can just go back. But really, who doesn't want to live in New York? Come on. I will update you for sure. It's a huge decision, so I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna do it and everything. And of course, I still need to finish school. I'm finishing in May and I really love it. So I'm gonna be spritzing my face with the NYX Dewy Finish long-lasting setting spray, the only setting spray I brought with me because it's so small. But okay. There we go. Yeah, I really don't know what I wanted to talk about in this video, but I just saw the sunlight coming in and I'm like, nope, this is my time to film. I'll also be using the NYX Lingerie Gloss, and this is in Honeymoon. I went in one day and I was like, I really want a nice gloss that will be close to my natural color. It's not exactly my natural color, but it adapts really well. So this is it. It's very glowy. I really love the flush look. Anyway, what I wanted to say is that this trip really made me happy and really put things into perspective, and I think that I am ready to take a big step and actually come here. Whew, oh my god. I'm really nervous about it, seriously. I'm just excited for the future. This year will be my year, I know it. But I think I have to do a separate video just talking about my plans because I'm way too excited. I hope you keep supporting me on this journey. I am bringing you with me on these crazy years of my life. I love you guys so much. I will see you soon, and yeah, that's it for today. Bye!